Have you ever wondered why the environment is in a dire state despite our technological advancements? A paradox, isn't it? We've put humans on the moon, we've built machines that can perform complex tasks in milliseconds, yet our natural world is suffering. Let's take a closer look. Our industries spew out millions of tons of pollution every year, causing air quality to deteriorate and threatening our health. Our forests, once vast and teeming with life, are now disappearing at an alarming rate due to deforestation. And let's not forget about global warming. The Earth's temperature has risen by over 1 degree Celsius in the past century, leading to drastic changes in our climate. These problems aren't just threatening our environment, they're threatening our very existence. They're impacting our health, disrupting ecosystems, and jeopardizing the future of our children and grandchildren. Our progress is pushing us forward, but it's also pulling the environment back. The question is, can we find a way to balance the scales? Did you know that 2.12 billion tons of waste are dumped annually? That's a shocking statistic, isn't it? But that's not all. Every year, we produce over 30 billion tons of carbon dioxide, a key contributor to global warming. This rapid change in our climate is causing a ripple effect, leading to the extinction of countless species. We are losing an estimated 100 to 200 species of plants, insects, birds, and mammals every single day. The role industries and corporations play in these environmental issues is significant. The fashion industry alone contributes to 10% of global carbon emissions. Single-use plastics produced in large quantities by corporations are a major source of ocean pollution. These facts can be overwhelming, but they're not meant to scare you. They're meant to inform you. After all, awareness is the first step towards change. We are part of the problem, but we can also be part of the solution. Imagine if we could reverse these trends. What if we could make a difference? The potential of change is immense. It starts with small actions. Turning off the lights when you leave a room, choosing a bike over a car, or even planting a tree in your backyard. Small steps add up, and when combined with the efforts of millions around the world, they become a powerful force for good. Consider the success of environmental initiatives that began as grassroots movements. The Great Green Wall in Africa, a project aimed at combating desertification, began with a simple idea and has now transformed millions of hectares into green land. Or the Clean Up Australia Day, which began with one man's mission and has now become a nationwide event. So let's not underestimate our ability to affect change. Each of us in our own way can contribute to the health of our planet. Our actions matter. They can either harm or heal the environment. So, what can we do about it? You might be asking yourself. It's simpler than you may think. You see, the first step is to be mindful of our consumption. This means recycling and reusing whenever possible. It's about reducing waste and choosing products with less packaging. Next, we can make an effort to reduce our energy use. This could be as simple as turning off lights when we leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, or even biking instead of driving. Investing in sustainable companies is another powerful way to make a difference. By supporting businesses that prioritize the environment, we're voting with our wallets and encouraging more eco-friendly practices. And finally, let's spread the word. Share this video, discuss these issues with your friends, your family. The more people are aware, the more we can collectively make a difference. The environment doesn't need a superhero, it needs everyone. Will you be part of the solution?